Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to prep your nails using the Cashae Nails Prep Kit. It includes a cuticle stick, buffer, nail file, alcohol wipes, nail glue, and glue tabs. I'm not using the glue today. Here's the instruction card. Pause the video if you need to. I already washed and dried my hands, so first, I push my cuticles back with the wooden stick. Next, I file my nails to fit under the press-ons. Here I gently buff the surface to remove the shine. Then, I wipe all the nails with an alcohol wipe. Stay tuned for the nail application.